Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has broken his silence in the wake of an unusual threat made during a ZANU-PF National Executive meeting involving crocodile milk, a bizarre metaphor used by ZANU-PF Mashonaland West Chairperson Shebard Marime. Zanabina mashoko atuna kuti aiwa panguva ino VP will respond but the controversial crocodile milk threat kuti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pamoja nyumba mchinzi. The controversy erupted 2 weeks ago when Marime delivered a prayer that declared support for President Idi Mnangagwa's continued rule until 2030 and beyond, while indirectly targeting factions within the ruling party, including those aligned with the Chiwenga. Marime invoked crocodile milk as a divine tool to thwart what he described as evil spirits attempting to destabilize Mnangagwa's leadership. Speaking at the National Heroes Acre, VP Chiwenga delivered a thinly veiled response to the growing tensions without directly addressing Marime's comments. Chiwenga emphasized the importance of respect, unity, and tolerance within the party and the country at large. The remarks from both sides highlighted the intensifying power struggle within ZANU-PF as the 2028 elections draw nearer. Speculations about factional rivalries between Mnangagwa's supporters and those aligned with the Chiwenga has grown in recent months, fueled by public and private spats. Thomas Kwambuda pana pationa kuti aiwa generally panapa voya in peace zvavo vachudza vanhu kuti aiwa kunyange zvenyu muchiona kuti zvigaro zvinhu zvinenge zvichikuzasi asi musapota uri musoro mubati tinongoda respect, tinongoda tolerance, tinoda unity. Mashoko anoitirwa najenerali atona panguva inoyi kuti aiwa patiri kuona kuti ma2028 elections akuzviitira padhuze tiona now the succession aiwa dzichitemesa vanhu musoro. Mashoko aya anoonekwa kunzi vakomana they are replying each other pamusoro aiwa penhau dzekusideline kuri kuitwa jenerali panguva ino. Tidze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinango musection medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.